Welcome back to PC Error Detective, and in today's video I'll show you how to unblock on Discord. So if you blocked someone earlier and changed your mind, you can easily restore their messages and contact. Stay with me as I guide you through the process step by step. For step 1, open Discord on your PC or mobile and log into your account. You must be signed in to manage your block list and change your privacy options. For step 2, click on your profile icon and go to User Settings. This is usually found at the bottom left on PC and in the Profile section on mobile, and it contains all your account controls. For step 3, go to the Privacy and Safety or Content and Social or Blocked User section, depending on your version of Discord. Here, you will see the full list of users you have blocked before. For step 4, find the person you want to unblock from the list and click on their name. A small menu or profile window will appear with options related to that user. For step 5, click the Unblock button. After unblocking, the user will be able to message you again, see your profile based on your privacy settings, and you will also be able to contact them normally. For step 6, if you had blocked someone from a server, you can also right-click their name in the member list and choose Unblock directly from there. This is helpful when you want to manage things quickly without going into settings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.